Welcome to online classes. Dear student, today we will start a new exercise from our chapter number 1, which is exercise number 1.2. Student, in our previous classes we already solved the exercise 1.1. Okay, and I also solved here some questions, and some questions are your homework, but nobody can share their homework. Nobody can share their homework till now. Okay, so please share that your previous homework and focus on this exercise. Okay, so student, this the name of chapter is, as you all know, profit and loss, and in our yesterday classes we discussed about the profit percentage and loss percentage. Okay, so today we will solve the question which is based on profit percentage and loss on profit percentage and loss percentage. So in first question, find the profit percentage or loss percentage. Okay, so in first question, find the profit percentage or loss percentage. Okay, find the profit percentage or loss percentage. Okay, and in A question, CP rupee 4. CP means you all know cost price, and SP is rupee 6. Okay, this cost price is rupee 4 and sale price is rupee 6, and we are going to find the profit percentage or loss percentage. Okay, so before the finding profit percentage or loss percent, we have to find what is there. Is it there here profit or loss? So we all know when sale price is greater than cost price, in that case there is profit. Okay, so here sale price is 6 rupees and cost price is 4 rupees. It means here in this case here is profit. Okay, so profit profit. Okay, so profit is equals to sale price minus cost price, and sale price will be rupees 6 minus rupee 4, and it is rupee, this is rupee 2. Okay, this is rupee 2. 6 minus, sorry, 4 minus 6. When we subtract 4 from 6, so it will give us 2. So this rupees 2 is our profit. Now we have to find here clearly. Now it is clear that we have to find in this question profit percentage. Okay, in this question we have to find profit percentage. So to finding profit percentage is equals to profit upon cost price is multiplied by 100. Okay, so here in this question, student, what is the profit? So rupee 2 is profit. What is the cost price? So cost price is rupee 4. Okay, so now we have to write them accordingly. So profit is rupee 2. So 2 upon cost price is rupee 4 multiplied by 100. Okay, multiplied by 100. So now 4. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Okay, now 2 fives are 10, or you can say 2 fifties are 100. Okay, it means this is profit percentage will be 50 percentage. Okay, so how do we cut it? So basically student, we cut it by with one. So here 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Again 2 250s are 100 in two, when we divide 100 by 2, so it gives us 50. So 250s are 100, and now everything is clear. So 50 multiplied by 1, if I can multiply 50 by 1, so it will give us again 50. So it means here 50% of profit. Okay, now we are moving to B part. I hope you all understand. Now we are moving to B part. And in B part we have again cost price is rupee 20 and sale price is rupee 22. Okay, cost price is rupee 20 and sale price is rupee 22. Cost price is rupee 20, sale price is rupee 22. Okay, so here again, if you can see here, cost price, sorry, sale price is greater than cost price. So here again, profit, this is case of profit, and profit is sale price minus cost price. It means sale price will be 22 minus 20 is equals to 2. Okay, again 2. Now this is also profit, a case of profit. So profit percentage is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. So what is profit? 2 is profit. Cost price is rupee 20 and we multiply it by 100. Okay. So now 0, we cancel 0 from 0, we cancel 2 under 2, 2 under 2, and then this 10 is remaining. It means that profit is 10%. Okay, so here in question number 2, sorry, in part B, the profit will be 10%. Okay, so student, I hope you all understand how do we find profit percentage, how do we find loss percent. Similarly, we can do with loss, but only we can change here loss. Okay, here in place of profit we can write loss and we can take the value of loss. Okay, then we can solve it like this. Okay, so student, I hope you all understand. Remaining part is your today's homework, and this homework is on page number 86, so you have to solve this homework. So this is enough for today. Have a nice day.